Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the system ready and opening the power interface. First, close full-screen apps with Alt plus F4 or press Escape until the desktop appears. This ensures shutdown commands reach the OS. Next, confirm your keyboard's FN or numlock state so function keys behave predictably. On Windows, press the Windows key or Ctrl plus ESC to open Start. On macOS, focus Finder or press Ctrl plus F2 to highlight the menu bar. Once done, you'll be ready to navigate to the power options. Now execute the middle steps to select the shutdown action using only keys. On Windows, press Tab or the arrow keys from Start to reach the power icon, then press Enter to open options and use arrow plus Enter to choose Shutdown. On macOS, use Ctrl plus Option plus Command plus Eject, Ctrl plus Power, or set a custom hotkey. That brings up shutdown dialogues or immediate sleep. On many Linux desktops, try Ctrl plus Alt plus Del or Alt plus F1, then navigate the menu with arrows. Make sure to confirm prompts with Enter. Finish by confirming shutdown and handling problems. After selecting Shutdown, press Enter to confirm and watch for sleep or power LEDs to stop. That indicates a successful power off. If the system does not respond, hold the physical power button for 5 to 10 seconds to force a hard shutdown, but be aware of potential data loss. If keyboard shortcuts fail repeatedly, reconnect or try the laptop's built-in keys, boot into safe mode, or address driver issues. One key troubleshooting tip: switch to the laptop's internal keyboard to rule out external keyboard mappings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.